Hi, it's Alina Trenton from Trenton Kennels, and we are doing our weekly pup date with Spring Moon's litter. This is our firstborn, the sable little girl, and today we are going to get all of their weights to see how much they have grown.
Hi, I'm Rowan Trenton, Zelina's wife. And what we do is we use a kitchen scale with a bowl because they are small enough, and most kitchen scales can go up to about 10 pounds. And we just place the little girl in the bowl. And when she was born, because Spring's litter was tiny and we had some worries about her litter, she was 11 pounds 9 ounces when she was born.
11.9 ounces.
Yeah, that's what I meant. My bad, sorry. She is now 1 pound 15.3 ounces.
Very good. She got big. She's almost 2 pounds.
And she's asleep in the bowl.
Come here, silly girl. Little sleepy girl. Here's our second born, our silver little boy. And when he was born, he was
1 pound even.
1 pound exactly. Let's see how much you've grown.
Do we have any guesses?
I think he's gained a pound. He's gotten pretty big.
Keep all hands and feet inside the bowl, please. Thank you. 2 pounds 4.5 ounces.
Oh my goodness. A whole pound and 4.5 ounces.
And he, careful, he has got a little mark on the back of his neck. Kind of looks like a T. We're thinking maybe like a T-bone steak.
Come here, little guy. Little big guy. Yes, you are. All right. Third born, our black and white little boy. Second boy out of this litter, he was
11.7 ounces.
Yeah, 11.7 ounces. Oh, big yawn. Let's see how much you've grown, little guy.
Make sure that the bowl is on here nice and straight. You are now, no escaping, no escaping. 2 pounds 1.3 ounces.
Woohoo!
Yay!
There you are, big guy. He's starting to get a dark little face. It is darkening up.
On average, they should be gaining anywhere from a pound to a pound and a half a week.
And this is our little tiniest one. This is little Jelly Bean. She was only 9 ounces when she was born.
9.5 ounces.
9.5 ounces. Got to give her that extra half an ounce. Here she goes. Let's see how much you've grown, little Jelly Bean.
Oh, hold still. 1 pound 6.4 ounces.
Good job. Didn't quite gain a pound, but that's okay. At this age, sometimes they don't quite gain a whole pound, especially when they're as small as she is. But she over doubled her weight, so that's good.
Oh, there you go, little one.
Come on, little girl. She's a little tired. Huh, cutie face. And our last one, our little blonde baby girl. Right here. She's one of the ones you've been hearing. She gets a little squeaky. Yeah, but she's tired right now. We got him at a good time. Sleepy time is the best time to weigh him because that means they'll be still in the scale, nice and relaxed, hopefully.
When she gets going, she sounds like a little piglet.
She does. She squeaks like a little piglet. It's adorable.
She was 13.7 ounces when she was born, And she is now 1 pound. Oh, nope, nope. Gotta stay in the bowl. Gotta stay in the bowl for a minute. No.
She can argue with you.
1 pound, 15.5 ounces.
1 pound, 15.5 ounces. Almost 2 pounds. Almost made it. Sorry, you didn't beat out your brother. He's still the biggest.
Brothers.
Both of your brothers.
Your brothers beat you.
Thank you for seeing our pup date. We will give you lots more fun puppy videos. Bye.
Bye.